Ngucanio igie kuhamurithio gwa kamiti ya ithurano guku bururi-ini ya IEBC ikoretwo igithii na mbere gwa kahinda, no na gutuika thirikari ni itikirite kugia na miario na mwena wa mung'ethaniro, undu ucio nduri urakinyanira. No munini wa mutongoria wa bururi William Ruto nieranire ati thirikari ni irekoria ingihota kweheria Ihingica nini iria ikoretwo kuo na kuhinga miario gatagati kao na mung'ethaniro.
Kama ni mazungumzo, sisi tuko tayari, na yale mambo machache ambayo yalikuwa yamesalia tunataka tuyakamilishe kwa siku 2 ama siku 3 zijazo.
Oigite ati mari na mwihoko ati wona miario ya tafanio ni gugukorwo na Kihonia.
Tukubaliane kama Wakenya, wale watakaosimamia uchaguzi, kama kuna matatizo turekebishe, kama ni kubadilisha tubadilishe, ndio tuhakikisha kwamba tunatembea barabara ambayo inawaunganisha Wakenya.
Oho Ruto ni oritie atongoria matige gukanirira na handu-ini haugo manyitane gutwarithia na mbere uthii wa na mbere wa bururi ona kuiga thayo guku bururi-ini.
All of us, especially those of us who God's grace has enabled us to be leaders, we must be concerned about the security and the stability and the peace of our country. Because Matthew 5:9 tells us, "Blessed are the peacemakers, for they will be called the children of God."
Nake mutungatiri Atha Kitonga wa kanitha wa Redeemed ni oritie thirikari na mung'ethaniro mathi na mbere na miario ya gucaria mogaruruku mawatho-ini ma ithurano.
They need to stop what they are doing on demonstration. They need to have a dialogue. And that issue has been addressed over and over by the church, that we need peace, we need them to come in dialogue and communicate as leaders in this nation.
Kitonga no oritie aria metirie maandamano ma kuhamurithia kamiti ya IEBC macoge muhera. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Wanjiku.